Scientifically, I would say that, human beings have been.
All of those scientifically proven bits of good relationships.
At that time, and if they had, it would have made it clear that their entire program was scientifically baseless.
But they are scientifically based. It is a resource that you can use for free.
Adaptable, well-educated, and scientifically grounded people. Can we farm natural systems? Could we?
Typically, we call that an expressive aphasia. When you sing the lyrics, the words.
So they're learning a lot scientifically about how the world works.
Believe it or not, that can be studied scientifically. I don't know how this journey's.
This has also been something that people have scientifically studied, and again, despite common belief,
we knew that scientifically before Einstein.
You have to run many, many trials and tests and develop a scientifically sound foundation, because time and again, if you don't do that,
go to a place that's scientifically interesting. Could be layer deposits that represent.
Both of these can be done anywhere. They don't cost anything, and they're both scientifically proven to have.
One is more or less scientifically accurate, right down to.
In general, what happens scientifically when we travel? The airplane pressure.
So there is actually a scientifically well-researched.
Majority of our political leaders and the voting public are scientifically illiterate.
Solve this scientifically. I can't speak.
Motion scientifically and systematically how conversation works. We can often upend.
I mean, that is scientifically, just not.
In the criminal justice system. And here's a little bit more about them scientifically. False memory is a phenomenon where you
say that something or other has been scientifically proven, but I hope that you understand.
But to understand how scientifically brilliant and innovative he was, we got to understand what was.
To scientifically proven, economically proven methods that do the greatest good.
Really happening, or things that are scientifically verified. If you're telling them that.
Very intriguing observations, both clinically but also now more recently scientifically, that make it highly plausible.
The ground, and which is just as scientifically impossible as being 20 feet up.
Now I want to take away and show scientifically that depression and all the diseases.
About science terms, scientifically, these ideas of creation intelligent design are not accurate based on science, because
Future, we'll find those sites that overlap, that are both scientifically rich, but also those that would be really spectacular.
You are not only scientifically less literate than you should be, but you are also politically and socially a lot less literate.
Because it's been demonstrated scientifically that secondhand smoke can kill you, and it can kill your husband.
Identifiable human fingerprint in the March of the Seasons, which is scientifically rather, how should I say it, scientific.
As you're creating a piece that you're trying to make scientifically accurate, there's a point where the artist takes over.
That have been scientific.